Hello everyone, welcome to Kid Code Word powered by Deep Context Solutions. I'm Margaret and I want to welcome you specially to my new video series titled Life Skill Through Coding, Building Future Ready Kids. Life Skills Through Coding, Building Future Ready Kids. And today being the first episode in this series, I'll be talking about the topic I titled Coding and Critical Thinking. Coding and Critical Thinking. How kids learn to solve real problems. And today I'll be focusing on the essential skill every child needs. And this skill is critical thinking and how coding naturally develops it. Now, but before I proceed, what is critical thinking? Critical thinking is the ability to analyze problem, think logically, and find smart solution. I'll take that again. Critical thinking is the ability to analyze problems, think logically, and find smart solution. It is not just important in school. This skill is a life skill. So it is important in every aspect of our lives and our children's life. When a child learns to code, they automatically practice critical thinking every day because coding is about thinking and logic. Now, let's think about it this way. When a child is given, when the child wants to code, first the child learns to break the big challenge into smaller steps. That's okay, this is what I want to achieve. Then you now break that end goal into a smaller step. Then they plan carefully before taking action. They plan carefully before taking action because they end in mind. So then they think, what will I do to achieve this? Now, during the course of the action, something might go wrong. So when something goes wrong, that is, they might encounter a bug. Now, when something goes wrong, they start thinking, what went wrong? And how can I fix it? That is when they encounter a bug during the course of the coding. They think, what is the bug? They want to locate the bug and how can that bug be corrected? This process is building them, helping them to learn, to improve. It is improving their resilient focus and problem-solving skill. And now, in the world that we have, it's no longer about memorizing answer. It is about thinking deeply, asking questions, and creating solutions. To excel in this current world or this current generation, this world is changing so fast, and critical thinking is more valuable than ever before. So when you cannot think in this generation, it will have a negative effect on you. So every child must learn to think critically. Now, by encouraging our children to code, we are not just teaching them how to use computer. No, but we are preparing them to be innovative thinkers, future leaders, and smart decision makers. Imagine a child who spots problem early, stays calm under pressure, and find creative solution. Do you imagine that? Now, that's the kind of future we all want for our children, and that's the kind of child everyone wants to raise. A child that can quickly spot a problem and be calm even when there are pressures all around, and even in the midst of that pressure, create smart solution to the problem. And did you know that coding is a fun and powerful way to get them there? And this is one of the reasons why I keep preaching introducing kids to code. That's why I keep preaching kids coding, because I've seen a lot of benefit. I've worked with a lot of students and I've seen this play out in them, and this gives me joy. Thank you for joining me today. But remember, when you teach a child to code, you are teaching them to think critically, solve problems, and build their ability to make a difference. I'll take that again. When you teach a child to code, you are teaching them to think critically, solve problems, and believe in their ability to make a difference. So, see you in my next episode. But please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I want to thank you especially for always coming to watch this video. Please help share this video so that people that needs to hear this